episode of Look with YJ. In the last episode, we had discussed that I was super bullish on gold from these levels, but if you followed me on Twitter and Telegram, I updated that this does not look good anymore and we can slip below. Now, based on the current price action, what are the things we can anticipate, and is this the final bottom which could lead us to 2100 or 20 or higher? We will be talking about that. Let's talk about DXY. So on DXY, I had previously mentioned that we could possibly test these levels again and continue dropping below, or else we could even go higher for that matter, but continue to drop below. So based on the current price action, we can clearly see that we are making lower highs and lower lows and breaking structure on the downside. Now I'm anticipating that we could continue to break structures on the downside and slide below. If not, then there is one more possibility that we might continue higher just to grab some more liquidity and then drop below again. This is just a possibility. I'm expecting this because we have an untested supply right here, and if I open the gold chart, there are two possibilities that I can see. On a 4-hour time frame, if I go, this was a daily demand zone that I had marked. So on a 4-hour time frame, what I can see is we have created some very good accumulation right here and broken out of it. And now there are two possibilities. One, if we come back, retest this itself and then go up, we could easily see 1950 or even 1960 for that matter. But if we, on Monday, if we continue bullish and then drop below to retest this, then there is a very good probability we could only go higher just to trap the buyers and then continue lower. This is a possibility in my opinion because the demand that we see right here, it could possibly be stop 100 and then we can continue higher like this, just to trap all the sellers right here, because this is a very good sell side liquidity point at this price level. And I'm expecting, for me the perfect bottom would be this, a break below 1885 just to trap more sellers below and reversing back up aggressively. However, based on the current price action, I am definitely looking to go long, ideally somewhere at least until 1950 1960 odd levels, and then based on the pullback and reaction right here itself, we will decide whether we want to go long or whether we want to wait and go long again in the future. So overall, I am very bullish on gold, and it is just a matter of time once we get a good confirmation. If I open daily time frame, we are not yet bullish. I need a break above 1930, a break and close above 1930 to confirm that we are bullish in the market. Now let's talk about GBP USD. So this is extremely strong, and we have just closed above in the last week. We have closed above a very significant high of this structure, which indicates that in coming weeks there could be mad momentum on the upside. We could easily wipe out all this liquidity and retest the major supply zone right here. This is about coming weeks, so let's quickly talk about what we can expect in the next week. I am expecting a continuation. We had a daily order block, mitigation block right here. We can expect a continuation higher definitely on this, because overall the structure looks healthy to me. Of course, there is just one possibility that this supply zone needs to be taken out under every circumstance, because If we don't take this out, we could possibly test this and drop back down below, which might and mitigate our demand zone below this zone. So yeah, overall I am bullish, just that my condition is I want to break above this. So ideally price needs to spend some time over here without dropping aggressively below, compressing here, and then we can easily get a break above for a very good rally. Let's talk about Euro USD. So Euro USD, we've broken structure on the downside, very clean break on a 4-hour time frame, formed a lower high, and on the next lower low we have got a immediate reversal up. So if on Monday we don't break above this, Monday or Tuesday basically coming week, then I think we can continue to drop below, and then we can again look for long positions. Let's take a look at daily time frame. So based off daily time frame, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is a potential lower high. Right inside this structure itself, what we have a clean break of structure. We have a change of character, formed a lower high, a lower low. So there is a good probability we could continue lower, just to test one of these demand zones and continue higher. So overall I might attempt, just like GBP USD, we had this supply zone right here. So we can attempt a short expecting that prices might pull back a little, but euro looks very weak in comparison to that. So I would ideally want here a clean change of character around 15 or 30 minutes on euro USD to give me a confirmation for sells, or else I would be interested to look for longs only. And moreover, on a 1 hour time frame, we have also broken structure on the bullish side. So a retest of this order block would mean that prices could head higher. So if we reverse back down first, I would be interested to buy from this zone right here. Let's take a look at AUD USD. So AUD USD extremely bullish. We have swept beautifully all the liquidity from here, given a very good break of structure on the upside. Now we are on a daily time frame, and now we have a demand zone right here. We have liquidity right here. So I think even on AUD USD we could correct lower a little, just to test the demand zones, and then we can continue higher. So overall my bias is very much similar on all the pairs. All I want is a correction and then a continuation on the upside. Now Monday and Tuesday would most likely decide. I think Tuesday would be a bank holiday for the US, but I would be really interested to see where are we heading first. If we are heading higher first, then we could see a correction in the market, and if we are heading lower first, then we can expect the entire week to be bullish. So I'll keep you guys posted on Telegram and Twitter with the overall outlook. I could not make videos in the recent weeks due to a lot of other personal stuff that I'm busy with. I hope you found the video helpful. Share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.